Okay, I hope you can hear me. Around here is good. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya and this is our second vlog for Vlogtober. I wanted to say thank you so much for your support on my first vlog, which is just a few days ago. And I don't know, I just feel that it's so nice to be able to share this step, this transformation, and don't be afraid of what makes me happy. And you guys just, wow, I know that I have to learn to speak slower because last video I replay my video and I was like, I don't even able to catch everything I said. But today I don't have any work in progress for you to show you, but I will put one photo of actually the sweater that I'm working on the arm, on the sleeve is almost there already, so I'm just gonna show you here. But I'm outside and I'm not in my studio. However, what I want to talk to you today is a quick reminder to you, to me, to myself as well, because I told you in the last video that I know changing my direction is going to hurt my channel, but I don't have fear, because for me joy is my priority and I have to be true to myself. I cannot create the content just because the social media or just because the people want me to do. I can't, I'm sorry, I cannot fulfill someone else's expectation, but what I can do best is to create from my heart and to share my passion really through what I interest, and truly from my soul and my very being. And I really wish of this thing which called love inside of me can inspire you, and even if just one person that I can inspire, I already happy. So for me it's much more important to create from the place of love and not the place of fear. And I just want to come here to talk to you and to just let you know quick that it's so important this day not to look outside so much of what the world wants from you, but instead go inside and ask yourself, what can you share, what can you serve, what can you give from yourself? Because the good teaching is a good example, and by being true to yourself, you inspire so many people to be true to themselves. And just that, I want to say that. And another thing is, some of you have asked me about the guided meditation. I know now we are outside on the street and the car passing by and it's very loud, but anyway, I'm gonna do the guided meditation with you, for you, and to meditate with you. I want you to close your eyes and maybe put your hands in front of your heart. It's just gonna be maybe just 1 minute or 2 minutes together. Just put your hands in front of your heart, eyes closed, and perhaps just inhale deep and long. If you don't feel the connection with the hands in front of your heart, because you, I don't know, some people have a very hard time to pray or to put the hand in front of your heart. You can also put your hand and place your hand on your heart and one on your stomach, so that you can feel the movement when you breathe in. Okay, you don't have to look at me now. You can just close your eyes and just feel my voice and my vibration, and to just breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose. Leave your mouth slightly open so the leftover of the air can come through. And just continue to breathe in deep and long. Trust that your body knows exactly how much air it needs. And it doesn't matter if the world outside is so noisy and it's so loud. You can still go inside. Your right hand that you place on your heart is to remind you that your heart is beating right here and right now in this moment, not in the past and not in the future. So it may remind you to be here and now, where the power lies, where all the possibility of anything at all, the strength to create, the strength to let go. So your left hand that you place on your stomach, also to feel when you inhale, your stomach is expanding because the air is going inside. And exhale, stomach flat. And take a moment to breathe deep and long. Now you may open your eyes and take a moment to really listen to your body, how you feel right now. Thank you so much for joining me today in the short guided meditation. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you don't mind I take you outside and it's very noisy, because you know it's easy to be calm in the place that, like in the temple, in church, in wherever, that the surrounding is helping you. But life itself is not always quiet, it's always noisy. But we have a choice to always go inside and listen. Listen to our own breath. Listen to our own voice. And most of all, listen to our heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you next time for another vlog and more work in progress, and perhaps a yarn review for you as well. Let me know in the comment below if you would like to have more guided meditation for the opening of the vlog, or this is not your kind of thing. And if you want to share with me about your experience with meditation, if you have any experience about meditation, and if you want to know a little bit about me more, about my background in Thailand, where I grew up, when I start my first meditation, when I start my first yoga practice, anything at all about my life in Thailand, I would love to share it with you. Just let me know in the comment below, and I see you next time. Stay beautiful as you are. Mwah. Bye bye.